At 125. In, at, on, position 3. A. In hospital, at work, etc. We say that somebody is in hospital, in prison, in jail. Anna's mother is in hospital. We say that somebody is at work, at school, at university, at college. I will be at work until 5:30. Julia is studying chemistry at university. We say that somebody is at home or is home, with or without at, but we say do something at home, with at. I will be at home all evening, or I will be home all evening. Shall we go to a restaurant or eat at home? B. At a party, at a concert, etc. We say that somebody is at an event, at a party, at a conference, etc. Were there many people at the party, at the meeting, at the wedding? I saw Steve at a conference, at a concert on Saturday. C. In and at for buildings. You can often use in or at with buildings. For example, you can eat in a restaurant or at a restaurant. You can buy something in a supermarket or at a supermarket. We usually say at when we say where an event takes place, for example, a concert, a film, a party, a meeting. We went to a concert at the National Concert Hall. The meeting took place at the company's head office in Frankfurt. There was a robbery at the supermarket. We say at the station, at the airport, there's no need to meet me at the station. I can get a taxi. We say at somebody's house. I was at Helen's house last night, or I was at Helen's last night. Also at the doctor's, at the hairdresser's, etc. We use them when we are thinking about the building itself. Compare. We had dinner at the hotel. All the rooms in the hotel have air conditioning, not at the hotel. I was at Helen's house last night. It's always cold in Helen's house. The heating does not work well, not at Helen's house. D. In and at for towns, etc. We normally use in with cities, towns and villages. The Louvre is a famous art museum in Paris, not at Paris. Sam's parents live in a village in the south of France, not at a village. We use it when we think of the place as a point or station on a journey. Does this train stop at Oxford? At Oxford Station. E. On a bus, in a car, etc. We usually say on a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a ship, but in a car, in a taxi. The bus was very full. There were too many people on it. Laura arrived in a taxi. We say on a bike, bicycle, on a motorbike, on a horse. Jane passed me on her bike. Unit 125. 125.1. Complete the sentences about the pictures. Use in, at or on with the words below the pictures. The airport, a train, a conference, hospital. The hairdressers, his bike, New York, the Savoy Theatre. 1. You can hire a car at the airport. 2. Dave is on a train. 3. Karen is at a conference. 4. Martin is in hospital, in the hospital. 5. Judy is at the hairdresser's. 6. I saw Gary on his bike. 7. We spent a few days in New York. 8. We went to a show at the Savoy Theatre. 125.2. Complete the sentences. Use in, at or on plus the following. The plane, hospital, a taxi, the station, the cinema, Tokyo, school, prison, the airport, the sports center. 1. My train arrives at 11:30, can you meet me at the station? 2. We walked to the restaurant. but we went home in a taxi. 3. I would like to see a film. What is on at the cinema this week? 4. Some people are in prison for crimes that they did not commit. 5. What does your sister do? Does she have a job? No, she is still at school. 6. I play basketball at the sports center on Friday evenings. 7. A friend of mine was injured in an accident a few days ago. She is still in hospital. 8. Our flight was delayed. We had to wait at the airport for 4 hours. 9. I enjoyed the flight, but the food on the plane was not very nice. 10. Vicky has gone to Japan. She is living in Tokyo. 125.3. Complete these sentences with in, at or on. 1. We went to a concert at the National Concert Hall. 2. It was a very slow train. It stopped at every station. 3. My parents live in a small village about 50 miles from London. 4. I have not seen Kate for some time. I last saw her at David's wedding. 5. We stayed at a very comfortable hotel when we were in Amsterdam. 6. There were about 50 rooms in the hotel. 7. I do not know where my umbrella is. Perhaps I left it on the bus. 8. Where were you on Monday evening? I was at a friend's house. 9. There must be somebody in the house. The lights are on. 10. The exhibition at the Museum of Modern Art finishes on Saturday. 11. Shall we travel in your car or mine? 12. I did not expect you to be at home. I thought you would be at work. 13. Did you like the movie? Yes, but it was too hot in the cinema. 14. Paul lives in Birmingham. He is a student at Birmingham University.